How come no one told me making Mosa was this easy? So I had a lot of overripe plantain at home that I didn't want to go to waste, and I decided to make Mosa, except I had not made it before this time and I didn't know how to do it. So I came on YouTube and watched some videos, and it was looking very simple to me, except for the fact that they used yeast and I didn't have any yeast, but I had baking powder. So here I went, and this is how it turned out. I'm just going to let you enjoy the music and the video, and let me know what you think at the end of the video in the comment section. Thank you.
So bring your ass up on the stage. I buy you shit because you're red. Plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you over here. That's why you keep on coming there. The nigga can't compete, I swear. He trapping down,